Okay, let me discuss next important situation, that is situation 3. Situation 3 and situation 3 is goodwill is created at its full value and is written off immediately. Here in this situation, new partner is not going to bring cash for the goodwill, but here the partnership firm itself, it is going to create the goodwill and it is going to be written off immediately. As and when it is going to be created, it is going to be written off immediately by debiting all the partners in the new ratio. This is the third important condition, and the problem is forwarded to you. Please go through the problem, and the problem start like this. Aarti and Bharti are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 stood as under. Balance sheet has been given and the total of the balance sheet is 1,05,000. And below in the paragraph they have given some more information. On 1st April 2017, Jayanti is admitted, she is new partner, into the partnership on the following terms. The first important condition is that Jayanti pays rupees 20,000 as capital. She has brought cash for the sake of capital contribution amounted to rupees 20,000. That is condition A. And condition B is that the goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 20,000. Goodwill account should not remain in the books. And for this, we know that goodwill account at to partners capital account, journal entries is going to be passed for the second condition. And third condition is that buildings are appreciated by rupees 5,000, machinery is depreciated by 2%, and it is going to be recorded in the revaluation account itself. And condition D, provision for doubtful debts is increased by rupees 1,000. It is also expenditure recorded in the revaluation account. And last condition is that the new profit sharing ratio among the partners is 5:3:2. This is the new partners new profit sharing ratio. And here below they are given that prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the firm after admission. So first let me prepare the revaluation account and let us search out the information related to preparation of the revaluation account. And when you go through the problem, condition C, D are related to preparation of the revaluation account. Let us prepare a revaluation account. Condition C is that buildings are appreciated by rupees 5,000. There is an appreciation in the sense it is increase in the value of the buildings. That is why it is income. It should be recorded at the credit side of revaluation account. by buildings account 5,000. And next condition is that machinery is depreciated by 20%, and if you go through the balance sheet, amount of the machinery is 35,000, and depreciation in the sense decrease in the value of the machinery, it is the loss. That is why it should be recorded at the debit side of revaluation account. That would be 7,000. And condition D is the provision for doubtful debts is increased by rupees 1,000. And if you go through the balance sheet, there is already provisions amounted to 600. Now those provisions have been increased by rupees 1,000 in the sense, now this year loss is going to be increased by 1,000. That is why it should be recorded at the debit side of the revaluation account. 2. Provision for doubtful debts. $1,000. Now the items relating to preparation of revaluation account is over. Now you can close the revaluation account. Now total at the debit side is rupees 8,000 and credit side is rupees 5,000. That is why here this time debit is more. Now it is a case of loss. Now the loss is going to be borne by the existing partners. It means the old partners are going to bear the loss supposed to be created by the revaluation account. That is why 8,000 by loss transferred to Aarti and Bharti. What is the loss? 3,000. 3,000 into profit sharing ratio is 3:2. 3:2 in the sense 3 plus 2 will be 5. 3 by 5 will be the ratio of the Aarti and 2 by 5 will be the ratio of the Bharati. That is why 3,000 into 3 by 5, 1,800. 3,000 into 2 by 5, that is 1,200. Total will be 3,000. The loss is going to be transferred to the partner's capital account. And in the next slide, you can see that preparation of the partner's capital account as well as the new balance sheet. Okay.